Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Bangalore's Clinical Research Institute. They are offering medical coding certification course. The duration is for 3 months and the mode is online and offline, both live online classes they are providing. Okay, they have most up-to-date medical coding certification curriculum with expert LED training and practical learning approach. Okay, they have expert trainers as well and practical learning they are giving. So this is a plus point. And also they have ICD-10, CM, HIPIX, CPT. These are the important coding systems for medical coding field. Okay, they are providing practical exercises, hands-on exposure they are giving. So this is a plus point. 100% placement support they are giving and globally recognized certification, AEPC certification they are giving. Hands-on tools training is also there. 10 plus years expert trainers they have. If we talk about the curriculum, they have HIPIX2, CPT, ICD-10. These are the important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. The curriculum is nice. It is well designed. Also, they have trainers, placement support they are giving, hands-on training, tool training is there. So I like their course, but they are not covering AI, which is the most advanced topic to be covered. So this is a bit disadvantage. Mock test, they will make you prepare for your mock exams also. So that will be helpful for your medical coding exams. Just AI part is missing. Overall, it is good course. Okay, lifetime access to session recordings you'll get. Certification they are providing. FAQs they have mentioned here. And these are the reviews. You may check it out by yourself. Student reviews. Okay, so that was it. The course is good. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition as they are aligned with AEPC. So I would give this one. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. They have well-designed curriculum. It is good, but AI part is missing. So for that, I would cut 0.3 marks. Qualified and experienced instructors. They have experienced instructors who have overall 10 plus years of experience. So I would give this one. Practical training and case studies. They are making you do practical projects, real world scenarios they are giving. So I would give this one. Certification exam preparation support, yeah, making you prepare for, they are making you prepare for APC and CPC exams. So I'll give this one. Internship and job placement assistance, 100% job placement assistance they are giving. So I would give this one. Access to updated coding books and software. This part they haven't mentioned. So for that, I would give this 0. Flexible learning options they have online and offline both. So 1. Student reviews and success rate, it is there. You may check it out by yourself. I would give this one. Course fees, duration, and payment option. The duration was mentioned, course fees is not mentioned. So I would give this 0.3. So the overall ranking we have here is 8. And as per me, the course was good. It is well designed. The AI part is missing. So this is a bit disadvantage. And overall, I like the course. You may go through this course. You may check it out. Also, I have mentioned one of the best institute links in the description. You may check that also. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. Just go through that course and that will be helpful as well. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.